How to log out or sign out of FBS account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to sign out or log out of FBS account, then first of all open up a web browser and type in fbs.com in the URL box and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of FBS, go to the bottom left and look for the logout option. Before clicking on logout, make sure that you remember your account's credentials. Just make sure you have the correct credential with you, and once you are sure, you can click on logout. This will then redirect you to the login interface of FBS Trader area, which means you have successfully signed out. For your security, always log out after using FBS, especially on a shared device. So that's how quickly and easily you can log out or sign out of FBS.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.